Currently, I have a traveler's journal as my little cover, and then I just have some refills in here. I haven't done a junk journaling spread in quite a bit, so let's do it. I have this entire box worth of junk. I just kind of collect pretty trash throughout my days, and because I haven't junk journaled in like at least 3 months or more, I have quite a bit. I like to just like focus on specific colors or like a specific color palette because this is kind of standing out to me. This is basically like the only Pop Mart blind box that I like, the Nyotas. I had been wanting this version of it for so long, but it was like sold out everywhere, and then I found like some random place that had some, so I got one. This is a very precious piece of garbage for me, so I'm kind of gonna base it around that. Like black, pink, blues. I have this Kaweco sticker. I do also have this that has like those black grayish tones. So let's just dig through this and see. Number one essential in junk journaling, 100%, is a Tombow Mono adhesive roller. This is what will actually stick your junk into your journal. Just recently finally organized my entire sticker sheet collection in this binder at Little Craft Fest, and I can't remember the brand name, but it's just a super simple clear binder. It has pocket in the front and in the back, and then I do have my photo cards in here, but I have essentially put every single one of my sticker sheets in here. And I kind of have them organized by category for the most part. Sometimes it gets unorganized, but yeah, this sticker sheet collection was just getting shoved into different drawers, and it worked, but because I'm a journaler and because I like to decorate photo cards, I kind of needed a way to safely and neatly pack up all my sticker sheets and take it from place to place, from table to table and whatnot. And I actually have 2 new sticker sheets to put in here, these little frog ones. So let's put them in. I think this would be categorized as animals. Yes, this is my animal one. Let's look through this and see what I want to use for this little junk journaling spread. Definitely these. I always forget her name. I think it's Iwa, but her artwork is beautiful. I definitely want to use some of these today. Ooh, I'm also itching to use these. Both these sticker sheets are new, so I also feel like it's super important as like a journaler, scrapbooker, to have like a lot of stickers that are not necessarily of anything specific. Something miscellaneous like stars can be really helpful. I'm gonna pick out this one. This is just like a Daiso sticker sheet of Hongyodan and Tuxedo Sam and Batsmaru and Karopi, but Chaco's in there too. And this is definitely the category of Sanrio characters that I like, and I feel like I don't see that I've actually used it, so I want to use it today. Ooh, buttons. This roly-poly button sticker sheet. I've been loving this one. Let's do this Sunny Angel sticker sheet that my friend brought me from Mexico. I think we're good on sticker sheets. Maybe I'll grab this one by me kind of quick. Super cute clay stuff, and I love that she makes it into stickers, but yeah, let's use those for now. And then I also have a sticker book with like bigger stickers that I will probably end up using. My last essential actually are these angled tweezers. They're super sharp tweezers. I use these mostly for photo card decorating, but they're great for journaling too, to peel off teeny tiny stickers and get just the right placement. So because this is going to be the star of the show, I'm going to start here and just making this completely flat so I can see what parts exactly I would like to use this is my favorite part of the whole packaging, so I'm going to include this, and I am also going to punch some stars out of different parts of the packaging. I think I'm going to use this old Polaroid box as one of my backgrounds. Okay, I think I'm going to use this as a background. So let's trim off the excess. Okay, that should be close enough. Honestly, I'm not too particular about how exactly it fits, as long as it doesn't stick out too much. I'm going to trim off a little bit on the bottom, and then that should be good. And this Moomin packaging is so cute. Now I'm going to bring in other little random elements that I can start to layer. Well, actually, I kind of want to put this receipt there. Yes, okay. Good plan. I'm gonna put this receipt down first. And honestly, I just keep receipts. Sometimes they're like memory receipts to remember a specific day or something, but usually I just keep them as like extra. They're black and white, so they're neutral. Receipts are like the neutrality, the neutrals of journaling or something. I don't know. They're just great to have a lot of, so that's what I keep them for. And I actually feel like I might put Nyota on this side, because for this side I have, this is ever so slightly crooked, and I'm definitely someone that cares about that. But yeah, I feel like I can put this guy over here, honestly, instead of the Nyota. This is from a little tote from Daiso that I found. It's so cute. Another really great black element, and something that I can sometimes manage to do is actually peel these stickers off to use them, or just to leave a really nice clean packaging. So let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, we're doing so good. Okay. I was able to mostly save it. We just have a little bit of ripping. And this is very sticky, so honestly, I can probably still use it and put it right here. This is from one of my trips to Dallas, where I bought some yarn at a yarn store I really love, and this yarn ended up being really lovely, so... Ooh, that's an interesting shape. I also have my washi tape boxes over here. Let's see what I feel like using. Since this is the base, maybe this Kuni tape would go well. Or, I like this strawberry tape. Ooh, and the wiener tape. I use this one a lot though. Ooh, this green one would also go good. Green. I also really love this house one. But I think that one's a little too busy. This, I feel like, is another essential. You have to have these washi tape cutters. They latch right onto smaller washi tape rolls. They won't do the thicker ones, but these sizes, it will, and it just gets a really easy, clean, crisp cut on your washi. Let's see. Where do I want to put this bad boy? I kind of want to put it up here. Also grabbed some other neutral stuff to include on here. I think I am going to make some stars, slightly smaller stars of this blue. This could be cool. This could be a cool thing to use. If I trim off that part, this part, this could be cool. This could be cool. Okay. Gosh, this washi is like so delicate. Okay. Even though it's glued on, sometimes I will do like a fake little tape in, just for vibes. Just for vibes. The other thing that I like to do sometimes is there's a lot of stuff that I get that comes with like tiny little instruction manuals or booklets like this, and I will actually just like keep it whole and just adhere the back of it onto a spread. I don't know why I like doing that, but I just think it's like such a cool interactive thing to do, and then like you can still fully open it up. But I don't know, I think it's cool. I like to do that. Ooh, this grid would have been nice. Let's see. I do also really like this, but I don't know if I want to use it in the same spread. Okay, I'm gonna do something blasphemous and cut this Odd Rabbits thank you note. I just don't know if I want to cut it diagonally. Yeah, let's do it. Even if the colors are not exactly what I'm trying to use, I think the vibe is there. I think the look is there. Getting into sticker sheets, usually what I try to look for is I like to start with larger stickers since they take up more space, and then from there I can kind of start to use the smaller ones to fill in space. Ooh, I think this sticker sheet should tie in some of that yellow I think I'm actually going to go in with some of these like clear, I don't even know if you can see it, these like clear holographic ones. Now these little button guys. Oh, this one's calling to me, but I think it's too much with the spread. Let's do this one. And then a small blue one. And just for good measure, and because I want to break the seal on this one, I'm gonna grab, I think this guy is my favorite. And this is my journal spread. I am so happy with it, and more than happy with it. I love doing this as like something that's creative, but it's super relaxing. There's no pressure, and it really is about getting to keep extra stuff throughout my life that I really like. I'm personally really inspired by packaging. I always have been. So I love it, and I can't wait to like finish up the pages on this. I'm very close, and then you guys know what will come after that. It'll be a quick little junk journaling tour, but I'm also happy that I did blue here. I never use the color blue in my work or in life, honestly. I'm not a big blue fan, but I'm warming up to it. Before we say an official goodbye post junk journaling, I wanted to mention our sponsor for the day, which is Squarespace. If you don't know who Squarespace is, they're an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website, and actually I have always used them to run my website ever since I started. I also have my online art store on there. I have my portfolio. My mail club is on there as well, and I recently started using their email campaign tool, which helps me send out newsletters, which is super fun. If you're interested in Squarespace, you can go to squarespace.com for a free trial for some awesome all-in-one stuff, all-in-one tools to make whatever you need out of your website. And for your first purchase, you can use my code for 10% off, and I will catch you guys in the next one.